Okay, I'm going to show you one of the most amazing and super fun parts of Blooket is actually collecting Blooks. So you see all these images right here, these little avatars or icons, those are all Blooks. So I'm going to log into my account, okay? And if I click on the suitcase, it's going to open and you're going to be able to see all of my Blooks. Now you are given a lot to begin with, and you can find out which ones you were given by looking where it says cannot be sold. Okay, so if you scroll down for a while, they're all going to be given. Okay, and then finally, I'm going to click on this one, and this is one that I actually got myself. So, how did I do that? Well, I've played some games and I've earned some tokens. So now I can go to market. All right, and you can see I have 257 tokens built up. So what I can do is click on this Blizzard box. Yes, and then I'm going to click on the question mark and it's going to think and then award me something. And I got a new one actually. All right, so click on the Blizzard box again. Let's just do a few of these. Click on the question mark and then you wait, and then it's going to give you a specific Blook. Okay, so you click on it, and here we go. There's a snow globe. So we can do the same thing in the breakfast box. Okay, and when you click on it, you're going to be awarded something. Let's try a medieval box. Click on it and you'll be awarded something. Click on a Wonderland box. Right, you can pick and choose whatever you want. You can wait until you collect a whole bunch of them. All right, and the Blizzard box I just like as those are new. Okay, so now let me show you what happens if I go back to Blooks. All right, now I'm going to scroll down to where I started having ones that I earned. And you can see I have one now here. Look, I earned a second slime monster, but quite honestly, I don't need two. I would rather have a chance to earn more. So I can sell. It's not going to sell both of them. Look, it's going to leave one. So I'm going to keep going and see what else I have. That is a duplicate. There we go, Queen of Hearts. I want to sell one of those. Okay. Keep going. I have just one of these, one of these. All right, snow globes, look, I have three. So sell one and sell a second one. All right, holiday gift, I can sell one of those. Hot chocolate, I can sell one of those. I don't need more than one. There's really no benefit to having more than one. And selling it, look, this one I get 20 for selling because I already had one. And now when I go back to market, you can see my number of coins went back up. So I can again try again to see what I might get this time. All right, and I can keep doing this until I'm out of Blooks. I can do this periodically. It's just fun to see which ones you can in fact collect. Okay, so sometimes I test them out, different ones. Up, and that one said it was a new Blook. I got a new one. All right, and so that's something that you can notice at the top. It does say new Blook when you have earned a new one. So this is one I already had. I'm just getting a second one, which I will sell later. Okay, same with this one. But remember, that one was 20. So when I sell it, I can essentially get back the value. All right, that one I already have again. Let's just try two more in the Blizzard and let's see what I get. Okay, and so again, the fun thing is when you are playing a Blooket, you can choose which one of these you want to be your icon for the game. And you can see these remaining ones down here are ones I have not earned yet, which I will keep trying to earn. And all of these after the walrus are ones that I have earned from coins. So this is a super fun aspect of Blooket, collecting them, see who can collect the most unusual one. And again, just a fun little aspect of the game.